Okay, so now we proceed to this problem. This problem is about the 52 deck of cards. I mean the 52 card deck. Here we have this particular problem. How many five card hands contain exactly three clubs and two diamonds? We all know na ang 52 deck of cards ay mayroong apat na classification. Meron siyang diamond, clubs, flat, we have also heart and spades. Okay, so here what we're going to do is to find all the total of these things. We all know na pag hinati natin sa apat yung 52 sa 4 classification, makakabuo tayo ng tig 13 na card. So yung sa 13 na yon, first sa clubs muna, alam natin na may 13 na clubs from 1 to 13, right? Yung 13 is the king. And then, pipili lang tayo doon ng tatlo lang, okay? Kasi tatlong clubs na naman ang given doon. And also, we have the two diamonds. So, in diamonds, ang classification niya, meron din naman yung 13. And then, we can choose 2. Okay? Then, we simplify 13, choose 3. You can type it in your calculator. 13, choose 3 or 13C3. That is equal to 13 times 12 times 11. Tatlong beses lang kasi tatlo lang naman ang pinili natin. 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Then simplifying them, this numerator will equal to 1,716. And 3 times 2 times 1, that is 6. Dividing them together will give us 286. Okay? Now, sa 13 choose 2 naman, we have 13 times 12, and then sa denominator, we have 2 times 1. Simplifying them will give us 156 divided by 2, that is equal to 78. Okay, so the total would be 286 times 78. And that is equal to 22,308. Okay, so that's it. The answer is 22,308. So now the next question would be, in the 52 card deck, once again, how many five card hands contain exactly four spades and one heart? So same problem here. So we have 13 na spades, right? And then we got to choose four, and then 13 choose one heart. Okay, so next is we simplify the 13 choose 4, that is equal to 13 times 12 times 11 times 10. In the denominator, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. In the numerator, we got 17,160 divided by 24. And then dividing them will give us 715. Also, we have 13 choose 1, and then 13, and that is equal to 13 only. Okay, so next, we got to simplify them. 715, that's the first one. We multiply it to 13, to the second one, will give us 9,295. So the answer is 9,295 ways to arrange that. Okay, so that's it. Now we move on to the parallel question number 3. Go ahead and click the pause, and then answer this one in your notebook. And then I think your teacher will be the one to check it later on in your classroom. Now, if you have any question, just go back to the previous example and you can leave a comments here. Okay, see you in our next problem.